And our affiliate members of the Jubilee Coalition are on the last stretch of merging to form a formidable party that will be used in the 2017 general election. Top officials of the affiliate parties were holed up in a day-long meeting discussing the constitution of the party. Some of the issues discussed in the Monday's meeting included nomination guidelines for the candidates.
We are addressing the issues of party constitution. Many of these parties have constitutions, so we are bringing all the constitutional issues together, and we are creating a constitution that is going to guide the governance of Jubilee Party.
We are almost coming to the end of our journey of the merger process. We are now fine-tuning the constitution for the new party. We are refining our nomination rules. We are also looking at our election rules because the party will have party officials from the ward all the way to the national level. And we are also giving a final look at the merger instrument, which is going to be signed by all the parties.